have canvas to paint? The canvas is expensive to buy. Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I am gonna teach you to make a canvas at home in an easy way. So without any further delay, let us begin to work on it. So the materials which we need are watercolor paper. I'm using this Canson cold pressed watercolor paper. You can also use a buckram or a canvas roll, or just you can use a paper. It's okay if you're using a normal paper. It will not give the texture like we have for the canvas, but you will feel as if you are painting on a canvas. Then we need a cardboard. It should be hard. Then we need scissors, a tape or glue, and a white paper, which is optional. Step number 1 is to cut a piece of cardboard. You can cut according to the size and shape you want. I'm giving it a rectangular shape and the size is 12 into 17 centimeter. The size of the canvas paper you're using should be little bigger than the cardboard. Now the second step is for them who are using buckram or our normal paper. You have to first stick a paper and then follow the third step. We will place a cloth on the table so that the canvas paper doesn't get dirty. So third step is to stick the watercolor paper or the canvas roll or whatever you are using to the cardboard. You can use either a tape or glue. I'm using here tape because as watercolor paper is little hard. First you need to cut the corners like this, and then we will stick it with the help of tape or glue. I have sticked all the corners. Now let's press it a little bit. And yeah, it's ready. Now for the final look, I'm turning it backwards and you need a paper, white paper. We'll stick it on here. This is optional. If you want to do, you can do. If not, just leave it as it is. Here you go. It's ready. You can see the texture of a canvas is very different from a normal white paper. These are some of the paintings I have done on the homemade canvas. This is made up of buckram. And this painting name is Flowers in the Garden. This painting name is Sunset with Swans. And you already know about this painting, Galaxy painting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.